Let's crochet the pot. Use a coffee yarn. Wind the yarn around the little finger. Bring to index finger. Wind around the middle finger. Pinch with your thumb. Use a thicker end to crochet. Pass through the cast-on ring. Crochet a cast-on. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the loop. This is a cast-on. Next, crochet 6 single crochets. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Wind, yarn over the 2 loops on the crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch. This V shape is a stitch. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Yarn over the 2 loops on the crochet. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over. Pass through the cast-on ring. Wind and yarn over the loop. The 5th. The 6th. Take off the loop. Pull out the yarn. Tighten the loop. Make a slip stitch with the stitch of placing marker. Take off the marker. Pass through the first stitch. Wind and yarn over. Yarn over the loop on the crochet. Adjust the loop. Go on the second lap. Crochet a cast-on. Wind and yarn over. This is a cast-on. The second is to crochet 6 increases. The increase is crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the 2 loops. Crochet another single crochet. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Crochet an increase in the next stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Go on. There are 12 single crochets. Crochet 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The second lap is done. Make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Yarn over. The second lap is done. Continue the third lap. Crochet a chain stitch as a cast-on. Crochet a single crochet and an increase in the cast-on stitch. Pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Crochet 2 single crochets in the second stitch. Go on a single crochet and increase. Repeat 6 times. A single crochet. An increase. 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 There are 18 stitches. After done, make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Tighten the loop. Crochet a cast-on as a start for the 4th. The 4th is crochet 2 single and 1 increase. Crochet a single crochet in the cast-on stitch. Crochet a single crochet again. Crochet an increase next. Continue this in this way, repeat 6 times. A single crochet and increase. Go on until done. After done, make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Tighten the loop with a little force. The 5th, crochet a chain stitch as a cast on. The 5th lap, we pass through inner half stitch when we crochet. Just pass through this place. Pass through the inner half stitch. Pass through the cast on stitch. Don't ignore it. Wind and yarn over. The first stitch is done. Pass through inner half stitch again. Wind and yarn over. Go on. Crochet a single crochet in every stitch. Need to mind the inner half stitch. This place, make a slip stitch with the first stitch. Wind and yarn over the loop. The 5th lap is done. Crochet a cast on. Crochet a chain stitch as a cast on. Pass through the cast on stitch. Wind, pass through the stitch. Wind and yarn over. Go on.